Canton Fair is coming. GSHousing sincerely invites you to visit our booth. With 6 production bases spanning nearly 400,000 square kilometers and advanced Industry 4.0 systems, we produce over 200,000 portable cabins annually, ensuring high quality and fast delivery. One module, endless possibilities. Through innovative design, we transform standard units into diverse spaces, from offices and dormitories to gyms and reading rooms, tailored to your needs. Our global footprint covers over 70 countries, from the Middle East and Southeast Asia to Russia and Africa. Visit GSHousing booth at Phase 2 Canton Fair to create your customized space solution.